Hello students, welcome to class. Today, as we approach Halloween, we are looking at different kinds of candy that are vegan. Now I searched, and according to People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, this brand, Maynard's Sour Patch, are vegan. So we have 3 packages here. This one, sour cherry. This one, just I guess the regular type. And then another one here, fuzzy peach. So what we're going to do is we're going to count how many are in there. And you guys are supposed to guess. How many do you think are in here? How many are in here? And how many are in here? Now, let's first remember why it is that we want vegan candies. Because we don't want to use the animal body parts, which get melted down to form a substance called gelatin that get mixed into other types of candy, like gummy bears and that sort of thing. So because we love animals and we know that they deserve respect and to not be treated badly and cut up, we choose vegan candies whenever we can. Why love one animal but eat the other? Right? Only makes sense. So let's have a look at what we have here. Since we don't want to hurt the little pigs, we're going to start to count the Sour Patch Kids, starting with the Cherry Blasters. I already cut them open here, and that's the size they are. Actually, you guys try to guess just knowing, well, as usual, the bag's half full, which they often do. Try to write in the comments how many you think are in here right now. What's it look like? Take a guess. And then this one. They look a little bit bigger, I think, longer. And then this one, oh, they seem the biggest of all. What do you guys think? First, let's have a look at the ingredient list, actually, just to make sure that everything is okay. First of all, nutrition, of course, as you know, the nutrition in these things is just horrible. It's just basically calories and a bunch of sugar. The first ingredient there, as you can see, is sugar, and then it's glucose syrup, cornstarch, and then just some other things, but you don't see written there gelatin. So we're gonna hope that they're telling the truth. All right, so let's see how many we have in here. Let's pour them out and let's count them. There we go. And of course, a little bit of sugar on the side. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 so far. You guys want to change your guess? 10 Sour Patch Kids. You can still change if you want. Whatever you wrote down, change it now. All right, let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 Sour Patch Kids. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 so far. If you've just joined us, we are counting vegan candies here because it's getting close to Halloween. And we want to make sure that we don't buy cruelty products and only cruelty-free. So, a little bit hard to stay in a row there. Come on, guys. All right. So we have 20 here. All right, so we're counting these ones. Maynard's Sour Patch Kids. Cherry flavor. All right, let's keep going. So that we said was 20. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 are in there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34 in this package. 34 in this thing, and it's 230 calories. And that's it. All right, so that's that one. How about we move on to the next one now? How many of you think are going to be in this one? Didn't really cut this open that great. Okay, there we go. Let's pour these out. Cute little guys, cute little piggies. We would never want to hurt you. Yeah, we don't want to turn you into gelatin. Poor little sweetie pies. All right, let's count all of these ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you guys guess right? 11, 12, 13. Oh, okay. So we have 10 plus 10. That's 20 plus another 3. So that's 23. 23 Sour Patch candies in this type. All right. Again, 220 calories. All right, let's look at the next ones. These are the fuzzy peach ones. Pour these out. Yeah, they're pretty big. My goodness. They kind of look like apricots, don't they? Let's put them in some sort of an order here to make it a little bit easier. All right, guess how many? These ones are easier to count. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of the fuzzy peach. So if you could, if you were living near me and you wanted to eat these, which ones would you want? And actually, if there are any neighbors who are near me, I don't mind sharing these. Just have to come like pretty quick because they're going to be gone. But I actually am not going to eat them. I'm not eating any kind of candy these days. My hubby will eat them though. This is what I'll be eating. Dates. Dates are a whole food. There's nothing added or taken away from these. They are extremely nutritious, much better than this, which is just pure sugar. These have vitamins and minerals inside of them. So you can put them in your cereal. You can cut them up very small. You can put them on toast. You can just eat them straight up like that. Now I understand, before I became vegan, I didn't used to eat dates either. I thought they were too sweet. I would take like a tiny little bite and then I would like eat a nut, have another little bite and eat a nut. But now I'm really used to them. And I keep them in my fridge actually in some water sometimes, and then I blend them up and I use them kind of like a jam on my toast. And I also put them in different sauces if I make sauces. Like sometimes you get a sauce, like a tomato sauce, and they expect you to put some sugar in there. Well, you can put up some ground up dates. Anyway, here's the package that I get it in. All they did is they took out the pits inside. So thank you so much for being here. And thank you for supporting this channel. Don't forget to hug a vegan and be kind to animals. Subscribe and press the notification bell. Help me get all the animals out of hell. Coming up on screen will be a bunch of other videos. Have a look. Be curious. Look around that Vegan Teacher site. Press on one of the videos that are coming up. There are all kinds of videos about foods. They are about athletes. They are about all kinds of different websites. I sing songs. I do all kinds of stuff. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the right side of history. Thanks for being vegan from now on.